This is just lubed. I didn't do the stabilizer. It took me 3.5 hours last night, and it was my first keyboard project. Since I got the thing, I showed it off stock. It does sound way better than it was stock. I'm using this Amazon kit. I actually do recommend this GPL 205 G0. You don't need Crytalx apparently because this stuff worked really well. And then it came with this too, which is the spring luber. But yeah, I got some issues. That key sounds good. Like, some of these are a little harsh. The regular keys are fine. Spacebar definitely needs work. Need to go back, get the stabilizers, figure out what I'm doing with that, but it sounds good. It sounds good.